Hey everybody, it's the Bruce City Rider. Going out for a walk today at the Richard Bong State Recreation Area. It's just gorgeous. It's in western Kenosha County. Got the dogs with and my wife. It's 4,515 acres of grassland and wetlands. It was named after Major Richard Bong, who was a World War II pilot, and an ace of aces they called him. He succeeded in 40 aerial victories, and he was awarded the Medal of Honor for his bravery and heroism. So come on along, enjoy the sights and sounds. We got to figure out which way to go here. You guys having fun, huh? Are you having so much fun, yeah? Is that water good? Come on, buddy. What is this flower?
Maybe a daisy?
Well, I tell you, it's just an absolutely gorgeous, you might say perfect, late fall day. Now, correction, early fall day. It's only September 20 something, I don't know. It's a Friday, and it's 80 degrees and sunny. Here's one of the little fishing areas they've got at the park. I've been kind of surprised that we bumped into quite a few people on the trails. So it's good to see people are out here using this. You have to have a pass to get in any of the Wisconsin state parks. This is a state recreation area, but it still falls under the state park program. Beautiful shelter here. Good place for a party. So a day pass costs $8. I think you can get an annual pass for, I don't know exactly what it is now, but right around $28. That's the way to go. The only problem is Wisconsin sells it as an annual pass, unlike in Minnesota where it's a 12-month pass, which is definitely better. So you have to look at it as a donation to the state park system. You guys liking that shade? It's a hot one today, huh?
They're getting tired.
What do you think, boys? Hi. Let's see how Dora's doing. Hey, Dora. Yes, Dora has her own stroller. Hey, Dora. She's about 15 years old with no teeth, and she can't obviously walk very far. Even if she was younger on those little legs, she weighs 5 pounds. Hey, Dora. Come here, you. Say hi.
Where's my kisses? Huh? Aw, he's not gonna give no kisses. No.